Now I bring all the wishes and greetings from Spirit Institute to you for scoring in a wonderful rank in CDBS, cardiothoracic and vascular surgery, rank number 35.
Thank you very much, sir.
And can we know from Dr. Ruru Ray why CTBS? Is it cardiothoracic surgery or vascular surgery? What is that your interest?
Sir, I'm mainly interested in vascular surgery. I'm only interested in vascular surgery, sir. This is mainly because I had a good exposure to vascular surgery during my PG days. We had a 2-month-long posting. And it's something that has always interested me quite a lot, more than the other branches. So that's what I decided upon. And I've also worked under some fairly competent vascular surgeons. So that's why I'm quite interested in vascular surgery.
Excellent. Where did you do your medicine MS from?
I did my MBBS from Kasturba Medical College, Manipal in Karnataka. And I did my MS surgery from CMC Vellore.
Great. Now, vascular surgery, can you tell us the preparation strategy, how you did this cardiothoracic and vascular surgery? It is a combined paper. So it is a general surgery plus cardiac surgery and vascular surgery, correct?
Correct, sir. So for the cardiac surgery paper, what we have to realize early on is, despite them saying it's a combined paper, it is around 95% cardiothoracic surgery and very little of vascular surgery questions. So what we realized is that we have to concentrate more on the cardiothoracic surgery part. Even though we are not that interested in it, we have to grit our teeth and go ahead with it. And so I used the speed videos from the cardiothoracic that were recorded from the cardiothoracic staff, and they were quite good and quite informative. And at some point, some parts it felt like it might be a little too heavy or too deep into the subject, but I think it's necessary because there's no saying where the questions are going to come from. And I also wish I had concentrated more on cardiac physiology and electrophysiology, because there were questions from ECG and certain basic cardiophysiology, which I did not really learn. So I regret that slightly. But and I would suggest to anybody attempting next year is to also concentrate on the basics of cardiology and cardiophysiology. And for the general paper, it was mainly like it was so quite from the general surgery classes that were provided by Speed, and it was very Bailey and some Sabiston and Schwartz oriented. So I think it's good. I mean, the people who are fresh out of general surgery are obviously going to do better in that. And I would suggest that people do the basics from Bailey at least thoroughly, and that might give you an edge over that.
See, the Bailey that you read for final year theory exam of MS is different from the Bailey that you read for entrance. Both are not the same.
Yes, sir. Of course. Sir.
So what we use Bailey for theory is totally different. And the Bailey what asked, here you will know the difference. So now where are you planning to join now?
Sir, since there are very few seats in vascular surgery, I have, and I obviously, we have to consider MCH and DNB courses also, because there are almost an equal number of DNB seats as there are MCH. And now with, we don't know if the government seats in Tamil Nadu will be reserved or not, because all the government MCH seats are in Tamil Nadu. So I have, my options will be, first, because I'm based in Bangalore, I'm considering Jain Hospital and that's Jeevas and Narayana Hridayalaya also. But I'm also considering MCH seats in CMC Vellore and the Tamil Nadu government colleges in my options. But I have to see how I get, because as per last year, I have to also consider my options in DNB courses, such as those in Gangaram and also some in Hyderabad as my options, because there's never any saying where at what rank the seats will get filled up.
Very true. What you say is right. What do you have in top line? All the 5 are great institutes, and I wish that you will get any of this one you are in the list, the priority list that you have, and definitely all this are worth, and definitely they are doing a great job and have a very good caseload and clinical material and kind of intervention they do. And once again, and all the success in the surgeon in the career of vascular surgery in years to come, and definitely our wishes are all with you, and definitely you will do a great career in vascular surgery.
Thank
you.
Kindly
keep us posted.
Yes, sir. I will, sir. Thank you very much for your help and guidance, sir.
Most welcome. And as a cardiothoracic surgeon, I'll tell you, and the kind of intervention that is going on vascular surgery is quite amazing, and definitely you should focus on those areas, and definitely you will do that. And I wish all the best and all the success.
Thank you very much, sir.